How do I resolve an issue where my credit card has been declined for an Uber ride?
Hello there. Have you recently tried booking an Uber ride but faced a roadblock because your credit card was declined? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today we're here to help you resolve this issue. In this guide, we'll be walking you through some steps to get your payment method up and running again.
Why was my credit card declined?
The first thing we need to understand is why your credit card could have been declined. There are a few common reasons for this. 1. Insufficient funds. Ensure you have enough balance to cover the cost of your ride. 2. Expired credit card. Check the expiration date of your credit card. It needs to be valid to process the payment. 3. Incorrect credit card information. This includes the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Make sure all details are accurately entered. 4. Bank restrictions. Some banks have restrictions on online and international transactions. If your bank has such restrictions, this could be why your card was declined.
What can I do to fix the issue?
Now that we understand the possible reasons, let's dive into how we can resolve the credit card decline issue. Step 1. Verify your card information. Check your Uber app and verify all the credit card information. This includes the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. If any information is incorrect, make sure to update it. Step 2. Check your card's validity. Ensure your credit card is not expired. If it has expired, you will need to update the card information in your Uber app with a valid credit card. Step 3. Check your bank balance. You need to ensure that there are sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of your Uber ride. If there aren't enough funds, your transaction will not go through. Step 4. Contact your bank if all the details are correct and you have enough balance. The issue could be from your bank's side. Some banks have restrictions on online or international transactions. You should contact your bank to ensure they are not blocking the transaction.
How to update card information on Uber?
If you need to update or correct your card details, here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Uber app and tap on the menu, 3 lines on the top left corner. 2. Go to Payment. 3. Tap on the credit card you want to update. 4. Here, you can update your card information or delete and add a new card altogether. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. As we've seen, resolving a credit card decline issue on Uber could be as simple as checking your account balance or verifying your card information. If the problem persists after you've gone through all these steps, don't hesitate to get in touch with Uber support for more assistance. Remember, the smoother your payment process, the easier your rides will be. Safe travels!